Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. So first we're going to open our Google Sheet up, then we're going to open a random spreadsheet. So once you guys are here, you're going to click on the view section. Then again we're going to click on show. As you can see, grid lines has a check mark. So once you click on it, it's going to remove the grid lines. You guys could also select the box there, click on show, and click on grid lines. As you can see, it's going to pop up the grid line back again. So this is how you do it. It's a very simple step. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.